Good morning, dear students. This is the fourth part of lesson 4, Bipin Babu's Lapse of Memory. Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. अगली सुबह रांची में ट्रेन से उतरकर उन्होंने तुरंत ही महसूस किया कि पहले वह कभी यहाँ कभी नहीं आए थे, रांची कभी नहीं आए थे. He came out of the station, took a taxi and drove around the town for a while. He realized that the streets, the buildings, the hotels, the bazaars, the Morabadi Hill, with none of these had he the slightest acquaintance. Would a trip to the Hudri Falls help? He didn't believe so, but at the same time, he didn't wish to live with the feeling that he hadn't tried enough. So he arranged for a car and left for Hudru Falls in the afternoon. वो स्टेशन से बाहर आए और उन्होंने टैक्सी की व्यवस्था की और कुछ देर के लिए टाउन का चक्कर गाड़ी से टैक्सी से चक्कर लगाया. उन्होंने महसूस किया कि शहर की गलियां, इमारतें, होटल और बाज़ार, मोराबादी हिल, इनमें से कोई भी चीज़ से उनको थोड़ा सा भी परिचय नहीं था. क्या हुदरू फॉल की यात्रा उन्हें मदद करेगी लॉस्ट मेमोरी को रिकलेक्ट करने में? उन्हें विश्वास नहीं हुआ, इसलिए लेकिन उसी समय वह इस भावना के साथ ये छोड़ना नहीं चाहते थे यात्रा को कि उनको बाद में यह फील ना हो, अनुभव नहीं हो कि मैंने प्रयास नहीं किया ज़्यादा. तो ऐसे फीलिंग न होने के चलते उन्होंने यात्रा छोड़ना नहीं चाहते थे वह, इसलिए उन्होंने एक कार की व्यवस्था की और तीसरे पहर को हुद्रू फॉल की तरफ रवाना हो गए. At 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Hudru, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers discovered Bipin Babu lying unconscious beside a boulder. When he came round, the first thing Bipin Babu said was, "I am finished. There is no hope left." हुद्रू में उसी तीसरे पहर को 5 बजे पिकनिक ग्रुप के 2 गुजराती व्यक्ति ने विपिन बाबू को एक चट्टान के बगल में बेहोश पड़ा हुआ पाया. जब उन्हें होश आया, विपिन बाबू को होश आया, तो पहली बात जो उन्होंने कही वो बात है कि मैं ख़त्म हो गया, अब कोई उम्मीद नहीं बची है. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग Bipin Babu was back in Calcutta. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. Soon he would lose everything, his will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. Was he going to end up in the asylum? At Bipin Babu couldn't think anymore. अगली सुबह बिपिन बाबू कलकत्ता वापस आया. उन्होंने महसूस किया कि अब उनके लिए वास्तव में कोई उम्मीद नहीं बची है. शीघ्र ही वे हर चीज़ खो देंगे, काम करने की इच्छा शक्ति भी खो देंगे, अपना आत्मविश्वास भी खो देंगे, अपनी सक्षमता, समर्थता, शक्ति भी खो देंगे. माइंड का संतुलन भी खो देंगे। क्या वह पागल खाना में ही समाप्त हो जाएंगे? बिपिन बाबू इससे ज़्यादा नहीं सोच सके। Back home, he rang off Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. Then, after a shower, he got into bed with an ice bag clamped on his head. Just then, the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box, a greenish envelope with his name in a red ink on it. घर वापस आकर बिपिन बाबू ने डॉक्टर चंदा को फ़ोन किया और उनके पास आने को कहा, और तब स्नान करने के बाद वह माथे पर बर्फ़ का बैग रखकर बिछावन पर लेट गया। तभी नौकर एक पत्र के साथ पत्र लाया, जिस पत्र को किसी ने पत्र पेटी में डाल दिया था, छोड़ दिया था, और हरे रंग का लिफाफा जिस पर लाल इंक से लिखा हुआ था, above the name it said, urgent and confidential. In spite of his condition, Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter. He tore open the envelope and took out the letter. This is what he read. इसके ऊपर नाम के ऊपर लिखा हुआ था अर्जेंट एंड कॉन्फिडेंशियल, अत्यंत ज़रूरी और गोपनीय। तो अपनी दुर्दशा के बावजूद भी बिपिन बाबू के मन में ये भावना आई कि मुझे पत्र अवश्य पढ़ना चाहिए। उन्होंने लिफाफे को खोल के फाड़ा और पत्र निकाला और यही चीज़ उन्होंने पढ़ा। Dear Bipin, I had no idea that affluence would bring about the kind of change in you that it has done. Was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? I have no memory. Oh, sorry, I have no money, so my resources are limited. What I have is imagination, a part of which I use in the retribution of your unfeeling behavior. Well, you'll be all right again now. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. If you like it enough, it will see me through the next few months. Yours, Chunilal. डियर बिपिन, आई हैड नो आइडिया। ऐसा तो मैं नहीं जानता हूँ, ऐसा कोई मुझे आइडिया भी नहीं है, कोई विचार भी नहीं है कि समृद्धि ने एक प्रकार का जो परिवर्तन लाएगा, तुमने जो लाया है अभी परिवर्तन, जो तुम बदल गए हो समृद्धि के कारण। तो क्या अपने मित्र को, बुरे समय में फंसे हुए मित्र को मदद करना तुम्हारे लिए कोई मुश्किल था? मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं, लेकिन इसलिए मेरे संसाधन सीमित हैं, लेकिन जो मेरे पास है वो कल्पना है, जिस कल्पना का एक हिस्सा का मैंने तुम्हारे क्रूर व्यवहार के लिए, गैर जिम्मेदाराना व्यवहार के प्रतिकार में मैंने इस्तेमाल किया। अच्छा, अब तुम बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाओगे। एक उपन्यास जो मैंने लिखा है वो एक प्रकाशक के द्वारा इस पर विचार किया जा रहा है। हाँ, अगर यह उपन्यास अगर उसने पसंद कर लिया तो तुम अगले महीने तुम इसके थ्रू तुम मुझे देखोगे। तुम्हारा चुन्नीलाल। When Dr. Chanda came, Bipin Babu said, I am fine. It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi. A unique case, said Dr. Chanda. I shall certainly write about it in a medical journal. The reason why I sent for you, said Bipin Babu, is that I have a pain in the hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. If you could prescribe a painkiller. जब डॉक्टर चंदा आए तो विपिन बाबू ने कहा कि मैं अब बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। जो ही मैं रांची में ट्रेन से उतरा त्यों ही मेरी याददाश्त वापस आ गई वहाँ के बारे में। तो डॉक्टर चंदन ने कहा कि यह एक विचित्र केस है, मैं निश्चित रूप से मेडिकल औषधि पत्रिका में इसके बारे में लिखूँगा। विपिन बाबू ने कहा कि मैंने आपको क्यों बुलाया, वो उसका ये कारण है कि जब मैं रांची में था तो रांची में गिरने से मेरे कमर में चोट लगी, कमर के कूल्हे पे चोट लगी है, दर्द है। तो क्या आप पेन किलर मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, दे सकते हैं? दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द चैप्टर 4. नाउ I am going to answer some questions. Had Bipin Babu really lost his memory and forgotten all about a Ranchi trip? No. Bipin Babu had not really lost his memory and had not forgotten anything. It was all a plan made by Chunni Lal to teach him a lesson. Bipin Babu had not gone to Ranchi at all. Why do you think Chunni Lal did what he did? Chunni Lal said he has no money. What is it that he does have? The Bipin Babu was an old friend of Chunni Lal. Bipin Babu changed a lot after he became affluent. So Chunni Lal decided to teach him a lesson. What Chunni Lal did was an act of retribution. The author describes Bipin Babu as a serious and hard worker, a hard-working man. What evidence can you find in the story to support this? Bipin Babu was a serious man, as he didn't like mixing with people, had few friends, lived alone, didn't like spending time in idle chat. He was a hard-working man, as he had been working for a big firm for the past 25 years and had a reputation for being a tireless, conscientious worker. Why did Bipin Babu change his mind about meeting Chunni Lal? What was the result of this meeting? Bipin Babu didn't want to meet Chunni Lal as he knew why he had come for. But he changed his mind and thought maybe he would remember something about his Ranchi trip in 58. Chunni Lal confirmed Bipin Babu that he didn't go to Ranchi and it was he who arranged for his ticket to Ranchi and also got one of the fans fixed in his compartment. Bipin Babu lost consciousness at Hudru Falls. What do you think was the reason for this? The Bipin Babu went to Hudru Falls in order to recollect his lost memory. But on reaching there, he found he could not find anything which could remind him that he had visited that place earlier also. He thought he had no hope left and soon would lose everything and end up in an asylum. Thinking of this, he got depressed and lost his mind and fainted. How do you think Bipin Babu reacted when he found out that Chunilal had tricked him? Bipin Babu must be upset, angry, and must have some regret when he found the truth about Chunilal. He must be regretting himself for not helping his old friend who was going through the bad phase, and would be angry and upset on Chunilal for creating so much of chaos in his peaceful life. Again, listen to me. Bipin Babu must be upset, angry, and must have some regret when he found the truth about Chunilal. He must be regretting himself for not helping his old friend who was going through a bad phase, and would be angry and upset on Chunilal for creating so much of chaos in his peaceful life. This is the end of your chapter. Thanks.